Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to set a picture to the background of your Snapchat chat. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, open any chat. You just want to set a picture on its background. So tap on profile, then tap on wallpaper. Once tap on wallpaper, you will get some wallpapers from Snapchat, but if you just want to use from gallery, you're going to tap on camera roll. So here you go, I have a 2G picture, just want to set up as a picture, as a background picture to my Snapchat, and once I got there, I just tap on confirm. Here you go. When I back to chats, you can see I got the photo on the background and it looks great. So this is all about how to set a picture to the background of your Snapchat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye, and don't forget to check my video which is about how to get free Google Play credit here on my video description below. Go check it and get your benefit.